Hey guys, how you doing? Henry here at Mowers and Blowers. So last night we got our second, I guess you can call it significant snowstorm. Here I'm in the garage. We got about 4 inches. 3.5, 4, something like that. So today I'm going to use this Craftsman 928. This is the one I got for free. That's right, free. When I went to go pick up that $20 tractor trailer. And the guy said, hey, come to my house. I got this thing for you. And I said, okay. And let's see, what did I do to it? Oh, yeah. You guys saw the auger impeller flange. Both flanges were worn out. And so the auger blades wouldn't turn. So I got those auger flanges. I put them on. And now it works. There was some other things, carburetor clean or replacement, I forget. But this is going to be my first use. It's a 9 horsepower. This snow is wet and slushy. On the top it's a little powdery, but on the bottom the ground is kind of warm. So as you can tell from like right there, right? You can tell it's wet and slushy. So I'm going to put you on a tripod and just show you how it throws. I guarantee you it's going to clog. Well, as you guys saw, my repair on this thing went flawlessly because, let me tell you, this thing worked great. This snow is a slushy, heavy consistency on the bottom, kind of moist, but light on the top, right? And it clogged twice. Once for the beginning where the snow plows from the street had blocked off my driveway, and that stuff was extremely heavy, more icy consistency, and it clogged up a little bit. This doesn't have a shovel, obviously, so, or what they call a snow clearing tool, whatever it is. I just used the handle of a broom, whatever, and unclogged it. And then it ran flawlessly all throughout, and I was having so much fun that I had to go and do my neighbor's one too, you know? Because I'm a nice neighbor like that. When I got back to the slushy part, it did clog that second time, and it was all slush, you know? It was like a Slurpee, you know, like a brown Slurpee. But, man, I'm stoked. This thing runs great. It blows snow fantastic. I mean, it was blowing decent distances, maybe 10 yards, 10 feet or something like that. If this was all powdery snow, man, this would launch at like 25, 30 feet, no question, you know? So it's a good machine, man. Transmission works good. Fired up on the first pull. And, I mean, look, hey, that's personal satisfaction right there when, you know, you can take this thing from the dead, which I did. As you guys saw, I pulled it from this kid's backyard, you know what I mean? Fixed the auger, and replaced the carburetor, and this thing runs like a champ. It's a Craftsman, 9 horsepower, 28 wide clearing path, 6 speed forward, 2 in reverse, 2-stage Tecumseh Snow King engine. Anyway, so my buddy Andy over in Jericho, he's got a Troy Bilt. Same one as my British neighbor over there with his new plastic wheels. It's not plastic wheels, but it's that new 12-inch thing. That thing seems to run okay too. So he's gonna send me a video later. I'll clip it onto this video, and we will see you guys later. We're expecting another bigger storm tomorrow, so maybe I'll have another session with the snowblower. Anyway, see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
All right, let's see. Prime twice. Got that. Here we go.
Hey guys, support my channel. Buy a sticker. Got the bumper sticker too. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers. Follow my Instagram at Mowers and Blowers.